How to make affiliate marketing work for you. One of the biggest problems people encounter when trying to start an online business is that they attempt to go from startup to expert in the blink of an eye. There's a process you need to follow with web business, especially affiliate marketing, and you will never succeed in this genre unless you understand it. Here are some tips to help you understand. Many affiliate marketers put too much emphasis on becoming super affiliates. They simply overburden themselves with more tasks than they can handle and wind up losing some of their competitive edge. This isn't realistic, however. Maximum results don't exist, so there's no need to strive for them. With time, if you don't try to cut corners, you'll put a program in place that works for you. Find an affiliate site that offers real-time statistics so you will be able to see how well the promotions that you are running are doing. You will be able to see the number of visitors have made their way to their site from yours, how many purchases were made, the number of sub-affiliates, and your total sales monthly. The most successful affiliate marketers never drop a naked link to an affiliate product into a loosely related webpage. Savvy webmasters use focused content to lead to affiliate product links. Reviews, fact sheets, and the gentlest of sales pitches are good ways to lead website visitors to an affiliate link and get them in a receptive frame of mind. Of course, people want to go from zero to rich in 0.0 seconds. But rushing affiliate success is just unrealistic. Before you get your hopes up only to be let down hard and fast, take your time to read and to implement the tips in the video above. Put yourself in a good position to be successful. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.